Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a new social media that you can use for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Now for this method, you don't need followers. Of course, if you have followers, that is always a plus. And because this is a new social media, that means there is not that big competition, and that means we can get a free traffic, we can make money. Now for this method, it is really important to choose a niche that you actually know, that you are familiar with. It is really important, and you will see later in the video why that is important. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to choose a product that you wish to promote. Now, I'm here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote keto products. So here I will simply search for keto, and then here I can see available keto products. Here you can see all the products. So what you need to do, you need to promote these products. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, or for example, and when I click here, I need to see their sales page. And it is really important for you to be familiar with the product that you wish to promote. You need to know everything about this product, and that is why you need to read the sales page very carefully. Also, you need to read their affiliate page really carefully. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the people who created that product, and they will answer on your questions. Like I said, it is really important for you to know everything about the product that you wish to promote. You will see later in the video why that is important. So now when we have our product, well, now we need to start driving traffic to that product. Now, if you have a landing page, that is a better option. But if you don't, then you can promote directly your affiliate product. But like I said, it is better to actually have a landing page. Now, let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When you come here on SimilarWeb, here you can see that this website is getting 154 million monthly visits, and that means it has a good potential. And the website I'm talking about is Threads by Instagram. Now, Threads is actually something between Instagram and Twitter, and good thing about Threads is you actually can share a clickable link directly in the post, and that makes our job much easier. Now, this is one of my Threads pages, and here you can see this page has 113,000 followers. Now, like I said, because this is a new social media, competition is not that big. So when I scroll a bit here, you can see, for example, that this post, let me click here on view activity. Here you can see that this post actually got 13,000 likes, 180 reposts, 11 quotes. Now imagine how much traffic you can get if you get 13,000 likes. You can get a lots of free traffic, you can make a lots of money. And I even have posts that got more than 30,000 likes. So let me just go back here on my page, and I will actually click here on Insights. So you can see in past 30 days, I actually got 1.2 million views, and I actually got more than 1 million views from people who are not following me. Here you can see 99,000, almost 100,000 people engaged with my content. 79,000, almost 80,000 people who are not following me. Here you can see 95,000 likes, 113,000 followers, constantly growing. Here you can see mostly from United States, United Kingdom, Canada and Australia. So you can get a lots of free traffic from Threads if you know how to use it. But like I said, for this method, you don't really need followers. So let me switch on my laptop so I can show you how you can actually use this method without followers. Now it is much better to use this on your smartphone, but for the purpose of this video, to make it easier for you, I will actually use it on my laptop. So I'm here on Threads, and what you need to do here on search page, you actually need to start searching questions. For example, is keto, okay? And then press enter. And now here you can find questions that contain is keto. Here you can see people are asking different kind of questions about is keto and what you need. And also here you can see I'm getting lots and lots of posts. Also, you can search, for example, how keto diet, okay? How keto diet. and then press enter. And again, you will see there are actually lots of people who are asking that question, how keto diet? But because I'm on my laptop, I need to log in to see more posts. But like I said, it is much easier to do this on your smartphone. So what you need to do, you need to actually start engaging with these people. You need to comment on their posts and you need to answer on their questions. And that is why I told you that you need to know this niche, you need to know this product, because you need to help these people. You need to answer on their questions. You need to engage. The more you engage with those people, the more questions you answer, the more trust they will have in you. And why is that important? It is important because when you recommend them a product, there is a big chance they will buy it. Now, conversion rate with this method is more than 50%. With other methods, if you are lucky, conversion rate is 15%. If you are lucky, like I said. But with this method, it is more than 50%. Now, that is a really, really good conversion rate. And you can find different questions. You can find a lots of questions. You can simply search for keto, for example. And here you can find lots and lots of keto related products. And like I said, you just need to start engaging with the people who have a specific question. Answer on their questions, help them, and they will become buyers. Most likely, they will become buyers. Now, as you can see, this method does require time, does require work, and does require knowledge. But conversion rate is more than 50%. And you can apply this on all kind of niches and sub-niches. And that is what is good about this, because also competition is not that big. You are not competing with these big players. And that is why you can make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing by getting free traffic without followers from trends. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.